I have decided to crochet a rose, which sounds very romantic until you realize I'm sitting here with a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Anyways, come crochet with me. For anybody who don't know, I'm a beginner who is learning crochet through YouTube tutorials. The tutorial said to make 66 chains, which is really long, but we're gonna do it. Now I forgot to count the chain. I completed the 66 chains. Let's see what's next. I have been thinking lately about how we really don't need a reason for everything we do. Sometimes I want to learn something just because I like it. And I think I have spent a lot of time feeling like I need to have a proper reason to do anything. So today, apparently, my reason is I wanted a tiny crochet rose. The tutorial said we should get this tiny V shape. That means I'm doing it right. Can you see this? I forgot to do the double crochet. Everyone, please look away for a second. I'm gonna undo it and pretend this never happened. I really don't know why I keep doing this. Then, finally, first row. Now I'm starting second row. Actually, if you're crocheting while watching this, do let me know what you're doing in the comments. Because I love to know somewhere someone else is also sitting with a ridiculous amount of yarn. Maybe you're doing something useful, which I clearly chose not to. Okay, I finished the second row. Here how it came out. Now I have to start row 3. For that I have to chain 2 and turn around. Now I have to work inside this space. I'm starting to understand why people make this. There is something slightly addictive about watching the yarn turn into something beautiful. So this is the final part. This is probably my favorite part, when you can finally see what you have been trying to make. Isn't this beautiful? In the tutorial they said we can also roll this around the other way. Let's see how that turns out. I started this because I thought this was pretty, and now I have a tiny crochet rose sitting on my table with nowhere to go. See you all in the next video.